Yeah, when I was moving in and we was bringing my clothes in, I legit was like, I know I don't have all these clothes. Like, I started getting on my own nerves. So I decided that I was going to do an edit of my closet. And I thought, why not bring my friends along with me? So let's get into editing this closet. So like I said, I am in my closet. If you do not know, if you have not been following me, I have been, I just moved in. It's a whole vlog on that. On the previous video, go back and watch that. But I am in the closet right now. I've kind of organized it, and I want to go through and kind of just go through my clothes. And what I'm doing is I'm going to purge, and that is getting rid of stuff. Then I'm going to edit. I'm going to go back through the stuff that I kept and decide what outfits can I wear with this. Can I think of stuff to wear with this? And kind of just go do a second walkthrough, go over, and then decide. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is go through the stuff that I purge and decide what gets thrown away, what gets given away, and if I could sell items or things like that. So, first things first is purging. When you're purging your closet, you just want to go through and just start getting rid of stuff. If you don't wear it, if you don't like it, if you haven't worn it, if it don't fit, all that, go. For example, this jogging suit. I'm going to purge this jogging suit because this isn't a great quality jogging suit. I have ripped it and tried to sew it back. It gets a lot of those cotton fuzz balls on it. So I am just going to get rid of it. T-shirt dress. Um, I'm not a fan of how the sleeves is made on this. So I'm gonna get rid of it. I could like cut the sleeves. I'm not doing that because I probably ain't gonna like it. This is an old dress. I don't know if it just need a lip brush. It look like it's been through the ringer, child. I don't know. I feel like it just needs this much tried and true. Black dresses, keep your black dresses, girl. Unless they just worn out. I am not. I have two of these. I'll keep this. This dashiki I'll keep. I know it's probably looking like, girl, you ain't got rid of nothing. Jeans, like I said, jeans keeping. I love this romper in the summertime. That can stay. This can stay. My denim shirt. This shirt. No. So that's how that goes. I look like I kept a lot, but I also have a nice pile. So I'm going to go ahead, finish purging, and then I'll come back. Child, I am tired, but I got it done. I did my purge. I actually did two purges. So I went through the first time, went through it, took out everything that I do not want. I still have a lot, like as you can see, it goes back there, but it is a lot of room, and I got rid of a lot of stuff. And I also pushed my summer items, which let me see. So like I was saying, I don't even know if I'm in a frame. I pushed my summer items up here. So this is all summer stuff. And then the stuff that's going further back is like all year round sweaters and winter stuff. And when you're doing this, you also, when you're thinking about the stuff that you want to keep, you want to be able to piece outfits together, pull outfits together and stuff like that. So I'll give you an example. And you can find stuff that you might can restyle. So for example, these two shirts, I decided to keep. I bought these shirts, I think, last summer. So I decided to keep these two shirts. One, because I want color in my closet. But with this shirt, because it's a loose fitting shirt, I can wear this shirt with jeans. I can wear it as like a third layer piece, like a statement piece. as a third layer with like a tank or a tank dress and wear it that way. I can tie this dress up, tie this shirt up and wear it with some high-waisted jeans. That way, give it a little funky look. So there's a lot of ways that I can style this and wear it. This particular shirt, I am going to restyle and I am going to cut it and make it like a cropped, like boxy style shirt. It does fit a little bit. It fits, this shirt fits loose. This shirt is a little bit fitted, but I am going to cut it, make it like a crop style, and I can wear it with some white jeans, some white shorts. I do have a pair of white jeans, so I can wear it with some white jeans. I can wear it with just these regular jeans and cut it, box it like that. I can wear it over a tank dress and just have it, you know, with it cut and the tank dress under it. So I don't know if this black, yeah, I have a black like knit pencil skirt that I can style with it, and the skirt is high-waisted, so I can wear it with that just to give it some fun color as well. Or I can just wear it, like I said, with some high-waisted jeans. So as you can see, that's how you want to think about things when you are, when you think about the pieces that you keep. You want to make sure that you're going to style it. Now, you also just want to keep your basics, or just like stuff like, you know, you don't want to get rid of like your denim shirts or your white shirts unless they're old, they're dingy and something like that. Those type of white shirts you can go on and get rid of. Yeah, so next what I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm going to organize this. I did push the summer stuff to the front, and I did go through my jeans. And I know I said before that I would probably have to keep my jeans, but I actually did have to get rid of like 2 pair of jeans. One pair was because I just don't like them. I don't like the way they fit. And another pair I couldn't fit. So that is that. So let me show you what I got rid of. So this is the stuff that I got rid of. It's not from the ground up. It's under a laundry basket. But this is everything that I got rid of. So now I have to go through this and decide what's getting put in the trash, and what's being donated. I really don't see much in here. It wasn't much in here that I would even bother to sell, because it wasn't like it was any designers or anything like that. So it's mainly what's getting donated and what is getting put in the trash. All right, so my closet is now full of hangers all over the floor, just a mess. But this is the pile of clothes that I'm not going to keep. And so now what you want to do, once you've made your pile of what you don't want to keep, now it's time to go through and figure out what you're donating, what you're giving away, and if possible, if you're going to sell anything. So yeah, you just want to make 3 piles. I'm not going to hold y'all. I'll go through a few pieces and we'll see. So first I'm going to start with these pants that are raggedy. Let me see if I can show y'all. So these pants are raggedy on the end. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Super raggedy on the end. So these are trash. This shirt is just a basic sweatshirt. So this will be donated. This is a men's gray polo. So it's practically new. It's from H&M. So I'm going to put it right there for the sale. I'm not going to hold this stuff. And then this is another one. Pink polo. I got rid of these. That gray one looks really masculine. But this pink polo, I could throw this on with some shorts. This is what happens. I could put this on with some shorts, some jeans, or something like that. And it's pink, so we're going to keep that. This is a men's flannel, Goodfellow, and we're going to put that in donate. So once you start making your piles, then you just go ahead. When I'm done, I'll show you what my piles look like. Okay, I am done. I don't feel like propping this phone back up, but I am done. My piles are done. So I'm going to show you what the piles are looking like, and then I'm going to bag this stuff up and chill out for a little bit because I'm tired. So the highest pile, the biggest pile is donate. Just, you know, this stuff will be going to either Goodwill or the Salvation Army, whichever one is closer. So that is that. All right. Clothes is bagged up. Stuff that's supposed to go in the trash has been taken out to the dumpster. Closet is back in some type of order. And I even went ahead and organized my closet, which I'm about to show you guys right now. And I am tired. Okay, so these are just empty hangers right here. I have pushed my summer stuff to the front. So I have like sleeveless dresses, t-shirt dresses, short sleeve dresses, and some long sleeve dresses. The jumpers that I'm gonna keep. These are like shirts and sets and stuff like that. Then we have like bottoms. I have my shorts and skirts. These are all jeans and pants. And then what I did was more winter stuff I kind of kept in the back. So like my darker jeans are in the back, my more mid to lightweight light wash jeans are in the front. Then we have what I would like to call my oh, so right now I have like, this is just like kind of like my all season, almost, except for a few of these pieces, but kind of like my all season type things. These lightweight long sleeve shirts, stuff like that. You know, this is more winter, but like this shimmer top and this top, just like going out stuff and stuff like that. Then we get into my fleece wear. So I have all my hoodies and my joggers are right here. And then back here is the more winter stuff. And so back here I have more of the winter stuff, my sweaters, heavier blazers. I don't really have a lot of summer blazers or spring, which I do want to get one or two. But like my winter blazers, then I have like my cardigans and my chunky sweaters, some sweater dresses, and then back here is more like special occasion going out dresses and stuff like that. So that is the full closet. I know it seems like I still ended up with a lot of clothes, but you have to keep in mind that this closet is storing all of my clothes for all seasons. So I think it's great, and I also still have a lot of room, so I think I did great. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you will know every time I drop a new video. I hope that this video inspired you to get in your closet, get the purging, get some stuff up out of there. And let me know in the comments if this helped you at all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.